Hello students, today we will start our fourth chapter of Movements book, that is In the Kingdom of Fools. It is believed that fools are so dangerous that only very wise people can manage them. Who are the fools in the story? What happens to them? In the kingdom of fools, both the kings and the ministers were idiots. They were foolish. They didn't want to run things like other things. Means normally they did not rule their country. They decided to change night duties into day duties and day duties into night duties. So they gave order to every person in his country, they should be awake at night and till their fields and run their businesses only after dark. कि अपने they the farmers will work in their fields at night and the business person will run their businesses only after the evening, and they go to bed as soon as the sun came up. Anyone who disobeyed that rule, anyone who violate that rule would be punished with death. The people did, all the people in his country did as they were told for the fear of death. The king ordered that night duties will be done in the daytime and day duties will be done at night. So all the people obeyed that rule of king. The king and the ministers were very delighted. They were very happy as their rule was obeyed by all the person in his country. One day a guru and his disciple from another country came in the city. It was a beautiful city. It was broad daylight, but there was no one about. Everyone was sleeping. Not a mouse was moving. Stirring means moving. Not the mouse was moving. Even the cattle had been taught to sleep by day, and the animals were also taught to sleep daytime and awake at night. The two strangers were very surprised by what they saw around them and wandered around town till evening. And they were very surprised by seeing all the movements in that city, and they wandered all the city till evening. Once suddenly the whole town woke up and went about its nightly business. All the persons in the city woke up in the evening and they go for their nightly duties. The two persons, the guru and his disciple, they felt very hungry. They became hungry. Now that the shops were open, they went to buy some groceries. To their astonishment and second surprise thing, what they find? They found that everything cost was same. Whether you buy a bunch of bananas, whether you buy 1 kg rice or anything else, you have to pay one coin named dudu. You have to pay a single dudu. The guru and disciple were very happy because the things there were very cheap and they had never heard of anything like this. In these cities there were two surprise things that the guru and the disciple watched. Firstly, the king had converted day into night and night into day. Secondly, everything cost was same. That was the single dudu. When they had cooked the food after purchasing groceries and eaten, the guru realized that he was a very wise person. He realized that this city is the city of fools and it is not good to stay here anymore. They can create any harm to any person who live there. There is no place for us. Let us go, he said to his disciple. But the disciple did not want to leave the place because everything was cheap there. So disciple wanted to enjoy the food items, cheap, very cheap, that were very cheap. So he didn't want to leave that place. The guru said, they are all fools, they won't last very long, and you can't tell what they will do to next. The guru understood his disciple by saying that this city is the city of fools. It is not good to stay here anymore. We can't imagine, they can't imagine what will happen them to next. So but जो disciple, he couldn't listen to the guru's talk, he couldn't listen to the guru's wisdom, because guru was a wise person, intelligent person. He wanted to stay there, disciple wanted to stay there. The guru finally gave up and said, do what you want, I am going. So guru decided to leave that place and disciple decided to stay there. The disciple stayed on, ate his fill every day, bananas, ghee, rice, wheat, and grew fat like a street side sacred bull. इतना खाया क्योंकि वहाँ बहुत सस्ता था, घी खाया, बनानाज, wheat, rice, and he was converted into a fat man like a street side bull. बुल देखा है ना आपने, बुल की तरह से जो उसका फैट बढ़ गया. One bright day a thief broke into होता है came into, secretly came into someone house secretly. A thief came into a rich merchant house. He had made a hole in the wall at night for the purpose of robbing, looting, and sneaked in, entered in quietly as he was carrying out his loot. The wall of the old house collapsed on his head when, after looting the rich merchant's house, he was going outside from the wall that he had made in hole in that wall. After that the wall collapsed upon him. जो दीवार थी जिसमें उसने छेद बनाकर उस घर को लूटा था, जा रहा है जब वो लूटिंग करके, तो वो दीवार उस थीफ के ऊपर गिर गई. एंड he died. After his death, his brother ran to the king and complained. His brother, the thief's brother, came to the king and complained that, Your Highness, my brother was pursuing his ancient trade. A wall fell on him and killed him. The merchant is to blame. Thief's brother went to king for blaming the rich merchant whose wall fell upon the thief. He should have built a good strong wall. इसको एक मजबूत दीवार बनानी चाहिए थी. You must punish the wrongdoer. The thief's brother argued with the king and asked the king to punish rich merchant and compensate the finally for this injustice. Compensate means to help, पैसे से मदद करना, कि अब रिच मर्चेंट को ब्लेम करा और उसको पनिशमेंट मिलनी चाहिए, और ये कहा कि कंपनसेट करनी चाहिए थीफ की फैमिली को फॉर दिस इनजस्टिस. द किंग सेड, जस्टिस विल बी डन, डोंट वरी. एट वंस समन्ड द, समन्ड मीन्स कोल्ड. जब कोर्ट की तरफ से किसी को बुलाया जाता है, कोर्ट की तरफ से, तो उसको समन बोलते. समन द ऑनर ऑफ द house. When the merchant arrived, the king questioned him. The king asked, What is your name? Such and such, your highness. Were you at home when the dead man burgled your house? क्या तुम तब घर पर थे जब डेड मैन ने तुम्हारे घर को बर्गल किया, break into the house for looting purpose? Yes, my lord. He broke in and wall was weak. It fell on him. The accused pleads guilty. Accused pleads guilty. Your wall killed this man's brother. You have murdered a man. We have to punish you. Now the king said that Your wall had killed the man's brother. You have murdered a man. Now we will give punishment to you, the king said to this. Accused was requesting for feeling guilty. Lord, said the helpless merchant, I didn't put up the wall. I had not built that wall. It's really the fault of the man who built the wall. कि मैंने तो ये दीवार नहीं बनाई, ये फॉल्ट किसका है, जिसने इस दीवार को बनाया है. एंड आई नो द मैन, ही इज़ एन ओल्ड मैन नाउ, ही लिव्स नियर बाय. मैं उस आदमी को जानता हूँ जिसने दीवार बनाई है. ही लिव्स नियर बाय. द किंग सेंट आउट मैसेंजर्स. द किंग सेंट हिज मैसेंजर्स, courtiers, to bring in the bricklayer who had built the wall. They bought him, tied hand and foot. उसको पकड़ कर ले आए, उसके हाथ पैर बंधे हुए हैं. You there, did you build the man's wall in the father's time? Yes, my lord, I did. What kind of a wall is this that you built? It has fallen on a poor man and killed him. You have murdered him. We have to punish you by death. Now the king said to the bricklayer that the wall you had made in his father's time had fallen upon this man's brother. So you have murdered the person. Now you will get punishment. Before the king could order the execution, जब उसकी मर्डर के डेथ के एग्जीक्यूशन डेथ के लिए ऑर्डर देता उससे पहले, द पुअर ब्रिकलेयर प्लीडिड, द पुअर ब्रिकलेयर रिक्वेस्टेड, प्लीज लिसन टू मी बिफोर यू गिव योर ऑर्डर्स. इट्स ट्रू, आई हैव बिल्ट द वॉल and it was not a good wall, but that was because my mind was not on making the wall at that time. When the bricklayer was making the wall at that time, he had not concentrated on his work properly. Why? Because a dancing girl was going up and down at that time, and his mind was distracted by the voice of his jingling sound. At that time, a dancing girl was going up and down for collecting his jewelry, so his mind was not concentrated on making the wall. So I was building. You must get that dancing girl. I know where she lives. You are right. The case deepens. We must look into it. Look into का मतलब होता है investigate करना, examine करना, इसको देखना. It is not a case to judge such complicated case. Let us get that dancer where she is. Now the dancer was called by the king. The dancing girl now was converted into an old woman, came trembling to the court. He was so old that he couldn't stand properly. There was no stability in his standing or sitting. So she came trembling in the king's court. Did you wake up and down that street many years ago, while the poor man was building a wall? Did you see him? कि क्या तुम जब bricklayer was making a wall at that time, you went up and down many times from that street where the bricklayer was making the wall? The dancing girl responded, yes, my lord, I remember it very well. So you did walk up and down with your anklets jingling. You were young and you distracted him. At that time you were young and you distracted that bricklayer while he was building the wall. So he built a bad wall. That's all for students today. Now after listening the video, you have to read these 3 pages of this chapter thoroughly from the textbook.